This is what happens when you pissed somebody off on the streets. Some supercar owners clearly show that money can buy a fast car, but it can't buy common sense. Hello everyone, welcome back to our most outrageous supercar fails ever caught on camera. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any of our videos. On the first clip, two guys got into a fight on top of a Ferrari 488, causing a scene and damaging the car. Moments later, the furious owner showed up and gave them both a beating. This Lamborghini Aventador accidentally smashed its bumper while attempting to drive over a curb, leaving a noticeable mark on the luxury car. A Mercedes AMG Project 1 caught fire and burned down in Germany, resulting in the complete loss of this rare and highly advanced hypercar.
Das ist einfach nicht zu glauben.
Come on, Alan!
Oh, you ready?
Yeah.
Is this the ultimate tow rig machine? A series of bad decisions led to this very expensive accident.
Oh, le cause il fait demi-tour en plein milieu du virage. Wesh, 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 wesh. Ouah, l'accident direct. L'accident direct, les gars. Ouah, l'accident. L'accident en direct, les gars.
So, were they invisible to each other? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. This Brabus G-Wagon collided with a light post, taking it down with sheer force. A new Ferrari 996 GTB spun out and slammed into a barrier, showing how quickly things can go wrong with that much power. A group of supercars was unexpectedly caught in the middle of a sheep stampede. This Mercedes almost caused a generation debt. A serious truck collision involved a red Lamborghini Huracan and several other cars, causing significant damage and chaos on the road. A Ferrari 812 driver accidentally stepped on the gas pedal, resulting in an instant crash near the lake gardens. The R35 GT, our owner thinks that he was in a scene from Fast and Furious, driving aggressively, making dramatic moves, and crash on the road. A Camaro driver unknowingly did a burnout right behind a police car, completely unaware of the BMW was a cop car. Would you do this to your precious Lamborghini SVJ?
Fala, papi.
A Porsche 911 GT3 RS failed to brake in time while accelerating, resulting in a sudden crash. Ouch! A brand new Porsche 992 GT3 RS unexpectedly caught fire, leaving the high-performance sports car severely damaged. Can someone please explain what is going on with Porsche drivers? A Porsche Carrera GT veered off the road and crashed into a bush, leaving the high-performance supercar partially buried in foliage. A Toyota Camry was splitted in half during an unfortunate highway crash, leaving debris scattered across the road. A Lamborghini Huracan Evo unexpectedly caught fire on the streets of London, drawing attention as thick smoke and flames engulfed the luxury supercar.
And they explode. Kicking off. Well done.
Next time you go, I can show you. You need more?
The cable, look. Cable, yep, all fine.
As you can see, the wiring inside the engine compartment was completely melted. A Lamborghini Huracan was spotted casually driving through a flooded village in Malaysia, turning heads as the luxury supercar navigated the high waters with surprising ease. But it wasn't the same case for this BMW driver. Luckily, the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport was spotted just in time before the flood waters worsened. That's what I call a baller. In April 2024, a Porsche Taycan was seen driving through flood waters in Dubai, highlighting the city's struggle with unexpected heavy rainfall and the resilience or risk taken by luxury car owners during the storm. This Audi R8's exhausts roared to life, billowing thick smoke like a machine built for drama. Mustangs aren't immune to accidents. No matter how nice they are, they can still end up getting wrecked. With multiple close calls and even a dog blocking the road, it's clear this isn't the ideal place to drive a Porsche. An Audi RS6 flipped during a rally, but thankfully everyone walked away unharmed.
What's that saying? That you can't run a fire? It's like you fucking bother get done on a flame cover.
What's that saying? That you can't walk it down by a car, it's about to blow up.
The track day conditions were pretty rough. Multiple crashes involving Porsche 911s and a Dodge Challenger. This SVJ did more damage than you would think. The carbon splinters in his hand can't feel great either.
Hey, you can't park there. This is almost as good as the Keystone parking job.
A Range Rover with a boat carrier crashed on the roadside. This boat is worth more than many supercars combined.
Maybe he's trying to put it in the pool.
I don't think that was supposed to happen. That's a... The bottom?
They probably should have measured the curb before trying to cross over with a McLaren 570S.
Stop. Go.
After the Champions League final in Paris, rioters caused widespread destruction, and this Porsche was among the vehicles damaged beyond repair.
Oh, this Lambo right here. Whoa, poursuite policière, bro. Whoa.
Tracking down a Lamborghini for the police shouldn't be too difficult. That was a great save for the Ferrari 812. Luckily, the road was empty at the time. Although it's unfortunate to see a Ferrari Puro Sang crash during the Pan American Highway Expedition. At least the car is being put to good use. This rare and luxurious SUV, often seen as a collector's item, is being pushed to its limits on one of the most challenging road trips in the world. The incident highlights both the thrill and the risks involved in such an adventurous journey, proving that even high-end vehicles like the Puro Sang are made for more than just showroom floors. Despite the crash, the spirit of exploration and performance remains clear, showing that this Ferrari is meant to be driven and experienced, no matter the obstacles. The BMW took nearly as much damage as the Porsche, showing just how intense the impact must have been. Both cars were left with significant paint damage, making it hard to tell which came out WORSE. It looks like the plan worked, and the driver was preparing to unload the vehicle even as it was being carried away by the tow truck. The timing was tight, but everything seemed to be under control during the process. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.